Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Having ataxia is extremely difficult, more than most people know. It's like being an infant all over again. We really have to work twice as hard, if not more, than the average human. If you suffer from ataxia, know that you are not alone. You have to stay positive even though it feels like the world is crashing on top of you. We might need to go back to being an infant to rewire our brain and nervous system. We sometimes need to crawl before we walk. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. Let's go back to the basics with beginner balance exercises. Starting on both feet, lift your heels off the ground as demonstrated. This balance exercise is considered heel raises. Remember, with all balance exercises, be sure you are in a corner with walls around you, and if needed, put something in front of you for safety. If you get off balance, those walls can become your best friends. With this particular balance exercise, lift your heels up using your toes. It feels like a calf exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your strength and balance. We want to accomplish this exercise like most traditional exercises with 3 sets. If you start with a low number, that is fine, because if you have ataxia or any other neurological disorder, you can expect slow gains. Don't be in a rush and take your time. Know that quality is better than quantity. The next exercise are toe raises. Basically the opposite of what we just did. As demonstrated, we want to lift the toes up using your shins and try to balance on your heels. It feels like a shin exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your strength and balance. It might be easier or harder for you. I know balancing on my heels for me is much harder. Just like the previous exercise, we want to accomplish 3 sets with a goal, and always remember quality is better than quantity. The third exercise is the single leg balance as demonstrated. Find a safe corner with walls around you, and balance on one leg facing towards the wall for better support. You will feel unsteady or really feel off balance at first, but you will get better over time. Please don't give up. You have to remember it may take a while because you are reprogramming the brain. I started holding one leg up for so many seconds and then switched legs. Master one time and increase the time. Now we want to turn back around like we did in the first 2 exercises. Stand with your feet together. Just standing with your feet together is an exercise in itself. To take this balance exercise to a better level, cross your arms on your chest and look or twist your head side to side. The side-to-side head movement can be hard, but you have to remember that it's strengthening the small muscles around your hips and other parts of your body. Muscles you probably didn't know you had. Just like the previous exercise, we want to stand with our feet together, cross our arms and look up and down using your head. Not only will it improve your balance, but it's strengthening those small muscles. There are many neurological disorders that hinder balance, not just ataxia. By incorporating these beginner-friendly ataxia balance exercises into your daily routine, you can gradually improve your stability and regain control over your movements. Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite exercise or if you have any questions. Remember, with perseverance and dedication, you can conquer ataxia or other neurological disorders and reconnect with a fulfilling, active lifestyle. Stay tuned for more empowering content. Please help others with balance by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.